Creative styles in wood furniture play a vital role in contemporary design, reflecting evolving tastes, cultural influences, and innovative craftsmanship. The importance of these styles extends beyond aesthetics, encompassing functionality, emotional resonance, and sustainability. As homeowners increasingly seek unique pieces that resonate with their identities, creative approaches to wood furniture become essential in transforming living spaces into personalized sanctuaries. One of the primary benefits of creative styles in wood furniture is their ability to enhance the aesthetic appeal of a home. Each style brings its own character, from the rustic charm of farmhouse designs to the sleek lines of modern minimalism. This diversity allows homeowners to curate spaces that reflect their individual tastes, creating environments that feel authentic and inviting. By incorporating various styles, individuals can create a harmonious balance between functionality and beauty, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wood furniture and wood decor ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the creative use of wood in furniture design can evoke emotional responses. Many people have a deep-seated connection to wood, often associated with warmth, comfort, and nostalgia. Unique furniture pieces can bring back memories of family gatherings or childhood homes, fostering a sense of belonging. This emotional resonance is particularly important in a fast-paced world where people are increasingly seeking refuge in their homes. Creative wood furniture can provide not just physical comfort, but also a sense of emotional well-being, enhancing the overall living experience. The adaptability of creative styles in wood furniture also contributes to their significance. In an era where living spaces are often multifunctional, the versatility of wood allows for innovative designs that cater to various needs. For instance, a creatively designed wooden table can serve as both a dining surface and a workspace, accommodating the demands of modern life. This multifunctionality is essential as more people work from home or require flexible living arrangements, making creative wood furniture an integral part of contemporary home design. Sustainability is another critical factor that underscores the importance of creative styles in wood furniture. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many consumers are seeking furniture made from responsibly sourced materials. Creative styles often incorporate sustainable practices, such as using reclaimed wood or employing eco-friendly finishes. By choosing furniture that reflects these values, homeowners can contribute to a more sustainable future while enjoying the beauty and functionality of well-crafted pieces. This alignment with eco-conscious choices enhances the appeal of creative wood furniture, making it a preferred option for many. Additionally, the artistry involved in creating unique wood furniture pieces adds intrinsic value. Artisans and designers often blend traditional techniques with modern innovations, resulting in furniture that showcases exceptional craftsmanship. This dedication to quality and artistry elevates the status of wood furniture, transforming it into functional art that enhances the aesthetic of a home. Homeowners who invest in creatively designed pieces are not just purchasing furniture. They're supporting artisanship and celebrating the skill involved in creating beautiful objects. Creative styles in wood furniture also allow for cultural expression. Different regions and cultures have distinct approaches to woodworking, each reflecting their heritage and values. By incorporating diverse styles into their homes, individuals can celebrate their cultural backgrounds or appreciate the artistry of other cultures. This cultural exchange enriches the living environment, fostering a deeper understanding of the world and promoting inclusivity. Creative wood furniture serves as a bridge between cultures, enabling stories to be told through design. Furthermore, the emotional connection fostered by creative wood furniture can enhance social interactions. A uniquely designed piece can become a conversation starter, inviting guests to engage with the homeowner about the inspiration behind it. This social aspect is particularly relevant in an age where meaningful connections are increasingly valued. Creative furniture can facilitate gatherings and promote interactions, creating spaces where relationships are cultivated and celebrated. The presence of distinctive pieces encourages storytelling and sharing, enriching the social fabric of a home. The importance of creative styles in wood furniture also lies in their ability to adapt to changing trends. As design philosophies evolve, wood furniture can be reimagined to reflect contemporary aesthetics while maintaining its timeless qualities. For instance, a classic wooden chair can be redesigned with modern lines and colors, making it relevant for today's interiors. This adaptability ensures that wood furniture remains a staple in home design, allowing it to evolve alongside shifting tastes while retaining its intrinsic appeal. Additionally, creative wood furniture can enhance the overall functionality of a space. Innovative designs often incorporate features that maximize storage or usability, contributing to a more organized and efficient environment. For example, a creatively designed shelf may include hidden compartments or modular elements that allow for customization. This focus on functionality complements the aesthetic appeal of creative styles, ensuring that furniture serves multiple purposes in modern living. Collaboration between designers and craftsmen further emphasizes the importance of creative styles in wood furniture. When designers work closely with skilled artisans, they can push the boundaries of traditional woodworking, resulting in pieces that are both functional and artistically significant. This collaboration fosters a culture of innovation and exploration, leading to the development of new styles and techniques that keep the craft of woodworking alive and relevant. The synergy between design and craftsmanship ensures that creative wood furniture remains dynamic and exciting. Homeowners often appreciate furniture that has a story as it adds depth to their living spaces. This storytelling aspect enriches the emotional connection individuals feel toward their furniture, transforming everyday objects into cherished heirlooms that can be passed down through generations. The role of technology in enhancing creative styles in wood furniture is also noteworthy. Advances in design software and manufacturing techniques allow for intricate designs that were previously unattainable. For instance, computer-aided design, CD, can enable precise measurements and complex shapes, resulting in furniture that combines traditional craftsmanship with modern precision. This fusion of technology and artistry enhances the possibilities for creative expression in wood furniture, paving the way for innovative designs that resonate with contemporary sensibilities. Well, there you have them, our hand-picked creative wood furniture and wood decor ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.